Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to B&K Happy July 4th to everybody out there. We are out on the holiday working, and it's like 93 degrees, and these bees are washboarding, and I figured I'd make a quick video on it. Kind of an odd behavior that nobody can truly definitively explain. A lot of the guesses come up with stuff like hygienic behavior and cooling and all that, but none of it really makes sense, not in the way where you're like, oh yeah, that's exactly what they're doing and I know that for certain. So I thought I'd make a video on it when I saw this, or actually when Katie saw this when we were pulling up. So weirdo bees having a good time enjoying their July 4th. As I said, I hope all of you guys are enjoying your holiday weekend as well. So get out there and have some fun with your bees, or go to the lake or something, light off some fireworks. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See ya.